The movement, the dancing, but she gets it.
Blood fist. Nice. Oh, Frost not knowing what to do, but here's what to come. Oh, it's beautiful.
And the thrust kick there. Lady Frost so fast on her feet, and she can fly. Power. Big kick. Wow. Moonsault.
Rich in play. Bower bomb.
Man with power. Bomb. Gets it.
Challenge Athena. The Ring of Honor Women's World Championship. I am going to accept your mediocre offer. When I beat your ass all over this arena, I want you to know that Willow Nightingale, she is just lucky enough to be in my division.
Wow.